Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my first impression of my new Teami Blends Wellness Protein. Check it out. So I decided to try a plant-based protein. I've have been saying that I need to try it. A bunch of other fitness enthusiast people that I know that are like me, fitness trainers, a lot of people that I know have either switched to a plant-based protein or they at least tried it. And I've been saying I needed to and I never got around to it. Well now, if you saw what I eat in a day, right now I'm on low cal, low carb. So I needed to find ways to get more protein in, as well as looking for a new protein shake. So I decided to go with Teami Blends. I have used their products before. So with them having a new wellness protein that's plant-based and it's chocolate, I was like, let me try it. You know, let's see how this goes. I'm more of a strawberry person when it comes to my protein shakes, but chocolate wasn't that bad. As far as the taste, I really can't compare it to anything, you know what I mean? Like, I've never tried another plant-based protein to compare it to that. I can only really compare it to other proteins that I've tasted that are chocolate. It doesn't have an overly chocolatey taste, but it doesn't have just no taste at all. It actually is pretty good. I'm on day 4 of doing it and I've been mixing it with almond milk and it's been pretty good. I think I might try it with water just to try different, you know, fillers with it just to see what it tastes like. But I've been doing almond milk for the past few days and I really like it. It's, you know, for it to be plant-based, you know, when we all think plant-based, we think something's gonna, you know, taste like a leaf. It didn't. It's actually not that bad. So yeah, it wasn't that bad to be plant-based. So y'all know, one of the other things that I had to order is one of those tumblers. You know, we've been seeing all them girls on Instagram with this tumbler and I was like, oh my god, I love it, it's so cute, I want one. It comes in like 7 different colors. I decided to order the white just because white goes with everything, even though normally a girl has on pink in the gym, but sometimes I wear black, blue, you never know. White will go with everything. So I went with this. This tumbler is amazing. Like, first of all, you can use it for smoothies or for tea. And it comes with a strainer for if you have actual tea leaves that you can put in there in the top and it will strain it. Love that, because a lot of the teas that I use are the teas where it's like the loose leaf teas that you steep. Love that. The other thing that I love about the tumbler is that when I'm going to the gym, I put my almond milk already in there and then I just bring the protein powder with me and then just make it at the gym. As soon as I get done, I'll just shake it up and make it. Well, it comes with an outer shell that keeps your inside cold. Like, I literally poured this probably like over 30 minutes ago and it's still cold. So I love that. And the other thing that I absolutely love about this tumbler is, if you see my what I eat in a day, you know your girl takes a lot of pills. And one thing that I said sometimes I take my supplements before I go to the gym. Sometimes I take them after. Y'all, look at this. There is a little container at the bottom that screws on. So I have been putting all my supplements just in here and then I already have my water at the gym. I haven't missed my supplements any day. Like, I've taken them every day. I love this because I can put all of my supplements down in the bottom of this, screws on to the bottom, in the gym, get done with my workout while I'm mixing this, taking my supplements, and then drink this. Love. I love this tumbler. If there's anything that I could say that it was this. This tumbler is good. I like it a lot. So one of the things that I kind of like about this is that it is 20 ounces for the tumbler, which is good for me because literally like when your girl goes to Smoothie King, which is once or twice a week, I order a 20-ounce strawberry Hulk, so this is just the same amount as 20 ounces. The protein though, that's one thing that I do like about this. The container itself is 13.6 ounces, and it's a lot. Like this is, and it was filled to the top when I tried it. Like obviously it's you know, it's gone now because I've been using it for a few days, but this thing, it was filled to the top. It wasn't like some of those proteins where you buy that big old container and then you open it and it's half full. This was not like that. It was completely filled to the top. And like I said, it's a good amount. Like I said, I've been using it for 4 days and look how much it's gone, but also look at how much I have left. So overall, I do think that I'm gonna finish this out just because I am trying plant-based protein for the very first time. Again, I can't compare it to any other plant protein because I've never tried it. Now I have tried Teami blends before, so I've used their products before, teas and stuff, not protein. So this is a first for me. Like I said, it's not bad. I'm gonna finish it out, see how I'm gonna give it a few more days just to see. One thing that I like though is that on here they have it listed that you can take it with the different things, but they also have it that it says you can do it for baking. And so I make these like when I'm looking for like a snack that's like healthy, I make these like little chocolate oat almond butter like protein balls. And I'm gonna try baking with this. I'm gonna see if I can add this into it to give it, you know, add more protein to my protein balls. And we're gonna see how that goes. I think I'm gonna try it that way. Like I said, I've mostly been doing now just almond milk. I haven't tried water or regular milk or anything like that. I've only mixed it with almond milk. Because I don't even really drink regular milk, I'm not gonna be honest with you. So yeah, I'm gonna try baking next. But overall, I like it, I'm enjoying it. It's definitely been giving me what I need. I definitely do feel way more energized. I will say that normally a lot of times after I get out the gym, I'm kind of like, you know, I'm energized but like really tired. I haven't been that tired with taking this. I've been able to get through my day, and you know how as us as adults we need like that 2 p.m. nap. Haven't had it or haven't needed it. So because this is the only thing that's really changed within my schedule in the past week, I'm gonna attribute it to this, is me not needing my little afternoon nap anymore. I've been feeling a little bit more energized and getting a lot more done. So we're gonna see. But as always, let me know. I'm gonna leave a discount code in the description box for you guys to order this for yourself. You can try it. If you have tried it, because y'all know how I am about these comments. If you have tried it or used it for baking, like I said, I'm gonna use it for baking, but if you have tried it, let me know your experience. Like I said, I'm only going on about 4 days right now. So yeah, let me know. Until next time, guys, bye.